County supervisors will soon be voting on whether to approve spending $16 million on a new firefighting helicopter. I had a chance to see that new helicopter today at Gillespie Field and talk to Supervisor Nathan Fletcher about why it's worth the money. This is a Bell Flight twin-engine helicopter. It's exactly the kind of aircraft San Diego County Supervisor Nathan Fletcher says he'll be asking his fellow board members to approve buying.
We've gotten lucky for a few fire seasons, but we need to be prepared.
Fletcher says San Diego County Sheriff's pilots explained to him just how valuable adding a twin-engine chopper to their fleet could be.
With two engines, if one goes down, the other one's still going, so you can fly at night. And we have a lot of times where we need these helicopters up at night fighting fires.
The twin engines all carry more water and can pick up water from more places. A chopper like this was proposed by former county supervisor Diane Jacobs a decade ago. The idea was never approved. Fletcher says the county can't afford to wait any longer.
We need to get the funds, we need to get the helicopter, and we need to keep people safe right now.
This type of helicopter would cost $16 million. It would be based out of Gillespie Field. And Fletcher says usually the process can take a few years, but he wants to speed it up.
I think certainly in less than a year, we ought to be able to get it, and perhaps much quicker.
Especially as fire season tends to last almost year-round now.
And we know the dangers of wildfire. We know the extreme heat and weather conditions that create them, and I want us to do everything we can to be prepared as a county.
Now, the County Board of Supervisors will consider the purchase of the helicopter during next week's meeting.